In this video, you will learn how to avoid 6 mistakes when writing the letter waw in Arabic words. Moreover, by the end of this lesson, you will learn more than 30 words and phrases. Keep watching. The letter waw is crucial in Arabic for its dual function. Firstly, it serves as a consonant as seen in words like wahaba, wahaba, meaning to bestow, and dallu, meaning bucket, dallu. Secondly, it functions as a long vowel as seen in words like rasulun, meaning messenger, and yaqulu, yaqulu, meaning he says. Another aspect that highlights the importance of the letter waw is its classification as one of the 3 weak letters, حروف العلة, alongside alif and ya. So حروف العلة, the weak letters in Arabic, are 3. The letter alif, then the letter waw, and the letter ya. The existence of any of these 3 weak letters among the root letters of a verb changes the verb final form. I have covered this topic in detail in one of my online courses on the AnyArabic platform. I will leave the link in the description below. In certain situations, the letter waw must be removed or replaced with another letter within a word to avoid spelling mistakes. I will explain 6 cases where the letter waw should be removed from the word. Case number 1. Removing the letter waw from the present verb tense in the Joseph mood, الفعل المضارع المجزوم. When the original verb in the indicative mood, الفعل المضارع المرفوع, ends with waw. We have 2 examples to explain this case. The first example, the verb يدعو, meaning to call or to invite, is in the indicative mood, ending with the letter waw. When we add a Joseph mood particle like lam before the verb, it becomes لم يدع, لم يدع. As you can see from here, the letter waw is deleted because the verb is preceded by the Joseph particle lam, and it will be wrong to write the sentence this way. لم يدعو. This is wrong. Another example, the verb ينجو, meaning to escape or to get away from, is in the indicative mood, الفعل المضارع المرفوع, ending with the letter waw. When we add a Joseph mood particle like lam before this verb, it becomes لم ينج, لم ينج. As you can see, the letter waw is deleted because the verb is preceded by the Joseph particle lam, and it will be wrong to write the sentence this way. لم ينجو. This is wrong. Case number 2. The waw in a verb must be omitted in the imperative mood, فعل الأمر. If the verb ends with waw in the indicative mood, الفعل المضارع المرفوع. We have 2 examples here to explain this case. The first one, the verb يدعو in the present tense, when converted into the imperative conjugated with the second person pronoun أنت, becomes أنت أدع, أنت أدع. As you can see here, the letter waw is deleted from the verb because it is in the imperative mood, فعل الأمر, and it will be wrong to write the sentence this way. أنت أدعو, أنت أدعو. The second example, the verb يرجو, يرجو, meaning to wish or to hope in the present tense. When converted into the imperative with the second person pronoun أنت, becomes أنت أرج, أنت أرج, meaning you wish, for singular male. And here the letter waw is deleted from the verb because it is in the imperative mood, فعل الأمر, and it will be wrong to write the sentence this way. أنت أرجو. Case number 3. Omitting the letter waw from the common word عمر. In Arabic, the word عمر is often confused with the word عمر. The waw at the end of the word عمر should be omitted if the word عمر is in the accusative case, حالة النصب, with تنوين, as in the following example. نصح المعلم عمرا, نصح المعلم عمرا, meaning the teacher advised عمر. This sentence is a verbal sentence, جملة فعلية, as it starts with the verb نصح, نصح, meaning he advised, and the doer, which is الفاعل of the sentence, is المعلم, which is why it takes the ضمة because the doer is always in the nominative case مرفوع. The object المفعول به of the sentence is عمرا, which is why it takes the تنوين فتحة because the object is always in the accusative case منصوب. As you can see, we have dropped the letter واو of the word عمر because it is in the accusative case with تنوين. Remember, don't get confused between the two words عمر and عمر as they have different vowels. عمر has a ضمة on the letter عين and a فتحة on the letter ميم, whereas عمر has a فتحة on the letter عين and سكون on the letter ميم. Case number 4. The واو must be removed from the masculine sound plural جمع المذكر السالم if it has the attached pronoun ياء, which we call it ياء المتكلم. Remember, the word in the masculine sound plural form جمع المذكر السالم has two different suffixes depending on its position in the sentence. For example, معلمون with the واو noon suffix if word's position in the sentence is nominative, which we call it مرفوع, and the second one is معلمين with the ياء noon suffix if the word position in the sentence is either accusative or genitive, which we call it منصوب or مجرور. Now let's add the attached pronoun ياء, which is ياء المتكلم, to the masculine sound plural معلمون. So معلمون plus the ياء, the expected results should be معلموني, which is incorrect. But why it is incorrect? Okay, we have the following rule that explains this mistake. When the attached pronoun ياء المتكلم comes after the word معلمون, we have to delete the noon, so it becomes معلمو, and then we change the واو into ياء. Then the new ياء is merged with the ياء المتكلم or the attached pronoun ياء. So the result is معلمية, معلمية, which means my teachers. Have a look at the following equation. حضر معلمون plus ياء المتكلم equals حضر معلمية. So حضر معلمون plus ياء المتكلم or the attached pronoun ياء equals حضر معلمية. Case number 5. Removing the letter واو from the word in the present tense الفعل المضارع and the imperative الفعل الأمر if the verb in the past tense has one of the weak letters حروف العلة in the beginning of the verb. Remember, حروف العلة are 3, ألف, واو and ياء. And here we have two examples to explain this case. The first one, the verb وعد, وعد, meaning he promised, in the past tense starts with the weak letter واو, وعد. Now let's convert the verb into present tense. We get يعد, يعد, and the imperative is عد, عد. So we have يعد in the present tense and عد in the imperative mode. As you can see from here, the letter واو has been changed into a ياء in the present tense الفعل المضارع and has been dropped in the imperative الفعل الأمر. A second example, the verb وضع, وضع, which means to put, in the past tense and it starts with the weak letter واو, وضع. Now let's convert the verb into present tense. We get يضع, يضع, and the imperative is ضع, ضع. As you can see here, the letter واو has been changed into a ياء in the present tense الفعل المضارع and has been dropped in the imperative الفعل الأمر. Case number 6. Removing the واو from certain words to simplify its pronunciation, and this process is known in Arabic as التخفيف. التخفيف. In certain words, the letter واو is removed to make the word pronunciation easier and simpler. Here are two examples. The first one, the original spelling of the word Dawood is Dawood. As you can see, the original form of the word contains two واو letters. Therefore, we have deleted one of them and kept the other for the purpose of simplification, which we call it التخفيف. The second example, the original spelling of the word طاووس is طاووس, meaning peacock. As you can see from here, the original word contains 2 wow letters. So we have deleted one of them and kept the other one for the purpose of simplification. التخفيف. But you should note here, in Arabic media and Quranic text, writing these words with 2 wow letters is still acceptable. However, writing with 1 wow letter is considered the best practice when writing in modern standard Arabic. If you want to learn more about noun case ending like nominative, accusative, and genitive, and syntax analysis al-i'rab, I recommend enrolling in this course, Arabic Grammar Course for Advanced Level, on the AnyArabic platform. You can find the link in the description below. Words and phrases you should have learned from this lesson. Wahaba, 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 which means he gave. As you can see, this verb is in the past tense, الفعل الماضي. The present tense is يهب. So wahaba is in the past, يهب is in the present tense. دلو, دلو. دلو means bucket. رسول, رسول, messenger. The broken plural of this word is رسل, messengers. يقول, يقول. He says this verb is in the present tense and the past tense is قال. قال. حروف العلة, حروف العلة. The weak letters ألف, واو and ياء. الفعل المضارع المجزوم, الفعل المضارع المجزوم. The present tense verb in the Joseph mood. الفعل المضارع المرفوع, الفعل المضارع المرفوع. The present tense verb in the indicative mood. يدعو, يدعو is a verb in the present tense. The past tense is دعا and it means he calls or he invites in the present tense. لم يدع, لم يدع, he didn't invite or he didn't call. As you can see from here, we have لم, which makes the verb to be in the Joseph mood. That's why we have removed the wow from the end of the verb, as you have learned earlier. لم يدع. أنت, أدع, أنت, أدع. You, this is imperative, call or invite. ينجو, ينجو, he survives in the present tense. The past tense is نجا, he survived. لم ينجو, لم ينجو, he didn't survive. الفعل الأمر, الفعل الأمر, the imperative verb. يرجو, يرجو, he hopes or he wishes, comes from the verb رجا in the past tense. So يرجو is in the present tense, رجا is in the past tense. أنت أرج, أنت أرج, you wish. أنت أرج, you wish, for singular male. حالة النصب, حالة النصب, accusative case. نصح, نصح المعلم عمرا. نصح is the verb in the past tense and it means advised. In the present tense is ينصح, ينصح. So نصح المعلم عمرا, the teacher advised عمرو. الجملة الفعلية, الجملة الفعلية, the verbal sentence. جمع المذكر السالم, جمع المذكر السالم. The word جمع means plural. المذكر means masculine. السالم means sound. So جمع المذكر السالم, the masculine sound plural. ياء المتكلم, ياء المتكلم. The word المتكلم is the person who speaks, comes from the verb تكلم in the past tense, which means he spoke. يتكلم, he speaks. So the ياء of the speaker, which is the attached pronoun ياء. معلمون, معلمون, teachers in the nominative case. As you can see, the word has واو نون at the end. That's why it is in the nominative case. معلمين, معلمين, teachers in the accusative case. As you can see, we have ياء نون here. It could be in the accusative case or the genitive case, depending on the word position in the sentence. معلمين. وعد, he promised. وعد, he promised. يعد, he promises. The verb is in the present tense here. يعد. عد, عد, you promise for singular male. It's imperative or command. وضع, وضع, he put in the past tense, comes from the verb يضع, يضع, he puts in the present tense. ضع, ضع, you put in the imperative or command. ضع. التخفيف, التخفيف, Simplification. طاووس طاووس peacock. In the coming lesson, I will start the Learn Arabic podcast. Stay tuned. If you have any questions related to this lesson, write it down in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, please share it with a friend and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. This was Haytham. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one. Salam.